Well, the way to Erzberg is a lot of years, a lot of days, a lot of sacrifice. It's not just around 3-4 months ago, let's say. We need to wake up in the morning, doing a lot of long days, have a good breakfast, healthy, go running, go swimming, go to the gym, then go to the motorbike, on the mountains, on the motocross track, on the hardest part or easier, faster. Let's say we need to practice and be ready for everything, because also we don't know how the race will be. We know that the prologue is super fast and we know that the race will be tough, but more we don't know specific things. There are also new surprises every year and we need to be ready for that. We need to train very, very hard and have a crazy, long and super hard days. For me, I need to prepare a lot of power, weight and also explosive movements on the bike. So I work a lot on the gym. I try to go in the morning before everything to be fresh, and I work with weight to work on the muscles and be explosive. And also I do a lot of balance to be fresh on the bike, be fast and have a good feeling after the gym, go to the motorbike and yeah, be good on the bike, have a good day. On the mountain bike or road bike, I try to do long trainings, not super hard, but I want to be on the bike as much as good I am, but long time. So that's the possibility that the bicycle and the run give us. And yeah, that's it. Also, I love it and I do it for fun, of course.